Pretend you're Popeye, today on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. A viewer wrote in and requested, Nick, give us a spinach salad. I'm doing one of my favorites. It's a layered spinach salad. If you're new to Weekend at the Cottage, I'm going to suggest you head to our YouTube channel, check out a playlist called City Slicker Videos. They're 1-minute videos that we create, things that are really simple for you to do, like the dressing that I'm going to be putting on this salad. I'll list it in the story as well, but click that 1-minute video and you'll learn all about this fabulous dressing. Easy to prepare. 1/4 cup of low-fat sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic finely minced, about 2 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of poppy seeds, squeeze in some lemon juice, give everything a whisk, do a taste, season with kosher salt, and then you can thin out the dressing with a little bit of milk if you'd like. I like that. I want a creamy dressing, but I don't want it too thick. I want a thin consistency. Once I've prepared the dressing, I have a funnel, transfer it into one of these squeezy bottles. It'll help when we go to apply it to our layered spinach salad. Now that the dressing's done, we're going to assemble a bunch of favorite ingredients. Take your bowls that you'll be using. I have baby spinach leaves, they're washed. Add on a helping of microgreens. This is a collection of daikon, pea shoots, beet shoots, tons of great stuff. Some cherry tomatoes cut in half. I've cut up 2 hard-boiled eggs, about 4 rashers of bacon cooked and then fine chopped. Sprinkle on some of that bacon and then take your dressing and just do a little tiny squirt, not too much, and then go back and start again. Spinach, microgreens, tuck in tomatoes, egg, little bit of bacon, and then dressing. I like to do this 3 times to create this beautiful layered look. I don't think a salad like this should be tossed. I think it should just have little touches of dressing all over. So when you take that fork, it's not going to be too much. It'll just be perfectly dressed with layers of deliciousness waiting to be enjoyed. Pretty delicious. I'm loving this layered spinach salad. I hope you enjoy. Looking for other great stuff? Head to weekendатthecottage.com. Recipes, food, drink, gardening, entertaining ideas, a ton of stuff. Remember to subscribe to our newsletter. Also look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally on your favorite social media feeds, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Something healthy and delicious is in this bowl. Get ready to get going and make it. Enjoy.